Alright, let's cut to the chase. You're probably wondering if Relay Bank and Thread Bank are the same thing. I get it, the names sound similar, and in the world of fintech, things can get confusing pretty quickly. So, let's clear this up once and for all. First things first, Relay Bank doesn't actually exist. Or at least, not in the way you're probably thinking. What you might be referring to is Relay Financial. Now, this is where things get interesting. Relay Financial is actually a financial technology company, not a bank. They offer a range of financial services to businesses, but they don't hold deposits or issue loans directly. So, where does Thread Bank come into the picture? Well, that's where the magic happens. Relay Financial has partnered with Thread Bank to provide banking services to their customers. Think of it like this: Relay is the cool, new app that makes your financial life easier, while Thread Bank is the behind-the-scenes banking wizard, making sure your money is safe and sound. Let's break it down a bit more. When you open a Relay account, you're actually opening an account with Thread Bank. But don't worry, you don't have to deal with Thread Bank directly. All your interactions are through the Relay platform. It's like having a personal financial assistant that handles all the boring banking stuff for you. Now, you might be wondering why Relay chose to partner with Thread Bank instead of building their own bank. Well, there are a few reasons for this. First, building a bank from scratch is incredibly expensive and time-consuming. It requires a ton of regulatory approvals and a massive amount of capital. By partnering with Thread Bank, Relay can focus on what they do best, building innovative financial tools for businesses. Second, Thread Bank is a seasoned player in the banking industry. They have the infrastructure, the expertise, and the regulatory compliance in place to handle the nitty-gritty of banking. This allows Relay to offer a seamless banking experience to their customers without having to worry about the complexities of managing deposits and loans. So, to answer the original question, Relay Bank is not the same as Thread Bank. Relay is a fintech company that uses Thread Bank as its banking partner. It's a powerful combination that gives businesses the best of both worlds, the innovative features of a fintech platform and the security and stability of a traditional bank. Now, you might be wondering what this means for you as a business owner. Well, if you're looking for a financial platform that can help you streamline your finances, improve cash flow, and save time, then Relay is definitely worth considering. And knowing that your money is safely backed by Thread Bank should give you peace of mind. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.